What is Forex? Have you ever exchanged currency while traveling? If so, you've already participated in Forex. Forex, or the foreign exchange market, is the largest financial market on the planet, and it never sleeps. It's a global market where currencies are constantly bought and sold by participants ranging from massive global banks and international institutions to individual traders sitting at home. The scale? Staggering. Every single day, over $7 trillion US, that's $7,000 billion, change hands in the Forex market. That's billions of dollars being exchanged every single second. And that scale isn't just impressive, it's an opportunity. Forex is one of the most lucrative markets in the world. With the right knowledge and the right tools, consistent, disciplined trading can generate serious returns. The world's largest institutions know this, and so do the traders who approach it strategically. However, opportunities open and close in seconds, which is exactly why how you trade matters just as much as what you trade. This is where the game changes. Imagine having a co-pilot, one that reads the market in real time, processes thousands of data points in seconds, and helps you make smarter, faster, more confident trading decisions. That's Go AI. Go AI's signal generation has demonstrated a win rate of 75%, a figure that reflects not just raw computation, but intelligent pattern recognition across live market conditions. And at the center of that experience is Go OS, your personal AI trading co-pilot. Here's how it works. You simply share your pick with Go OS, your preferred Forex asset, whether that's currency pairs, gold, or global indices. Then you tell it a little about yourself, your experience level, your risk tolerance, your investment goals, and what you're looking to earn. Your market approach, whether you're a swing trader, a scalper, or someone who leans on trend analysis. Go OS takes all of that in and generates signals built around how you trade. Not generic alerts, not one-size-fits-all recommendations. Go AI doesn't stop there. If you want real-time Forex signals and live market updates, there's Go Intel, your window into the pulse of the market. Indices Intel, gold intel, currency movements as they happen. Everything you need to stay ahead in one place. And if you're building your foundation, there's Go Library, a curated knowledge base designed to help you understand Forex on a deeper level at your own pace. So every decision you make is an informed one. From understanding what Forex is, to trading it with intelligence, precision, and confidence. That's not just the future of trading, that's Go AI.